Every time you create movements, you adjust the frames and use the graph editor to apply easy ease, ensuring smooth and professional motion. However, the problem is that you have to repeat these steps for every new project, which can be time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to save time. Select the frames you want. Go to Animation and choose Save Animation Preset. Name your preset. It will be saved to a specific folder. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Click Refresh List to import your preset. Now, type your preset's name in the search bar, and it will appear. Let me demonstrate. I'll apply the preset to some new layers. As you can see, everything, including the graph editor adjustments, is copied. Now, I'll try it on a layer with different movements, like a background. After applying the preset, I only need to make minor adjustments instead of starting from scratch. As you can see, everything, including the graph editor adjustments, is copied. Let's check the result. It matches perfectly. Way 2. Saving shake effects with a project file. 1. Add the shake effect by creating an adjustment layer, applying the twitch effect. You can adjust it as you like. The issue here is that there are no keyframes to select, and the Save Animation Preset option is inactive. Don't worry, here's a solution. Rename the shake layer. I'll name it Shake. Press Ctrl-C to copy the layer. Open a new project by pressing Ctrl-Alt-N. Save your current project, create a new composition, and press Ctrl-V to paste the shake layer. Add any photo or footage to test if it's working. Save this project, I'll name it Tools, so you can return to it anytime you need the shake effect. Now, to apply the shake effect in another project. 1. Import the Tools project. 2. Open the composition, copy the shake layer, and paste it into your current project. It works perfectly. This method allows you to reuse the shake effect across projects. You can even save multiple effects in a single project for easy access. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one very soon.